we have got ourselves a tyre that's somehow picked up a bit of a hole. Alright, so I can hear the hole, I can hear the air leak, and I can't see the hole. There we go. So we've got our reaming tool here, our lovely ARB tyre plug kit. So, right, reaming tool goes in like so. What that does is it opens up or realigns the belts. We'll leave that in there. We then come to our plugs or cords. We'll grab one of these out. Slippery fingers. Comes with all sorts of tools in the kit. Alright, in between here is a thimble. It's got a little bit of a split in it. Pop the cord or the plug in like so. It's roughly in the centre. And from there, we grab our lubricant, put a little bit of lube on there. Like so that helps it go into the hole. Remove the reaming tool, grab your plug, push it in. A little bit hard sometimes. Pop it in till you leave a little bit hanging out. Push that down like so, pop the plug out. Then don't forget to test again, making sure that it's no bubbles, no leaks. Then we grab our knife and we cut it off almost flush. Okay, so that's only a temporary repair. You need to get it to a tyre place that they can put the proper plug in there, which is an internal plug. It's called a mushroom plug, and that will go inside and seal from the inside. The rubber cord will expand and also seal from the outside as well. Alright, don't just leave the plugs in there, because what will happen is it'll start to delaminate inside, so get it repaired properly. Alright, this tip's brought to you by Follow Me Forward Drive.